Hello YouTube. We have a gorgeous piece for you today. It's the Ekornes Stressless recliner arm bracket support. This is for the right side. It screws into the wood base and uses a bolt hole for the back or the backrest on the 1970 and 1980 era armchairs. It has a length or depth of 20 and 5/16 inches. Height is 7 1/4 inches and a width of 1 inch. The first hole measured from the rear is at 2 3/8 inches, which is for the arm pad bolt. That second hole is at 6 3/4 inches and is for the screw that attaches to the wood base. This third hole is at 9 5/16 inches, which is for the other screw that secures it to the wood chair base. The fourth hole is at 17 9/16 inches, which is for the other arm pad bolt. The fifth hole with the white plastic sleeve is 8.5 millimeters across for the backrest bolt to pass through. It is made of some kind of metal and the color is black. This is for one right side arm bracket that is genuine OEM part for the Stressless furniture line by Ekornes. It is pre-owned, has rust, needs touch-up paint to be oiled. The fit of the Phillips head screw is a little loose, so you'll have to be careful when loosening or tightening. The flat bar is bent, but is still in working order and ready to be used. Please let us know if you have any questions. This is for the era of chair that screws into the wood base and uses a bolt to secure it to the back. If yours slides together, this won't fit. If you want multiple parts, we can combine shipping. We sell these for $125 plus $25 for shipping within the continental United States at our store, chairbits.com, under the products menu. Again, that is chairbits.com. Thank you.